Hi, today we're going to show you how to measure and mark a separating zipper for shortening it. You're going to need something to measure with, and a zipper, and I use a marker because it makes it easy. And my wife needs this at 13 inches, so I get it down to the 13-inch mark. I mark these two teeth, make sure you get one on each side. Those are the ones we're going to pull off later. Now I'm going to show you how to shorten the zipper. The first thing we're going to do is remove the teeth that we marked and hire from that. You'll need a pair of needle nose pliers. And all you really have to do is just kind of grab and pull. But it takes a little effort. You're going to want to take out 2 or 3 of them so you have room to put your stoppers on. Make sure those go in the trash so nobody steps on them. That one doesn't want to come out. There we go. Okay, now we're going to take the stoppers off the end of the zipper, which is really a hassle because they're on there tight. And when you get that off, you get this cute little U shape. You actually have to spread that. And I usually use a knife, but for safety purposes, I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. And what you're going to want to do, get it on there, wedge it in here, and push a little. And that will spread your U out so it's not quite so narrow. Then you'll put it right here where you took off your zippers, teeth. You take your pliers and you will just mash it as hard as you can, maybe harder. And there's your new zipper stop. Okay, now we're going to do a plastic zipper. You'll want to measure it the same way you did your metal one and mark your teeth. And then we're going to use a soldering iron and melt some pieces together. So, you see I have a tooth marked. And I have a soldering iron or a wood burner. This is actually classified as a wood burner. Here, what I'm going to do, it's hard to do with the camera facing me, is I'm just going to kind of melt it and push it over onto the other one and make sure they melt nice and flush. And that makes another stopper. So when that cools, your zipper won't be able to go past it. You want to make sure the back's pretty melted too. And it's not hard to get them to melt together. You just kind of smear it on there. It's hot enough, it'll melt the plastic quick and easy. Then after you've done that, you can take your cutter or a wood burner, just cut your fabric off, and you've got your zipper at the right length. Okay, it's done cooling. Now I can show you how well it stops. No problem. And when it's sewed in, you can just unzip it perfect and fine. Of course, you're going to want to do the other side too, because it'll look silly hanging out.